It's Monday, and for dinner tonight we are having grilled citrus salmon over greens, which is spinach. Mine. Bella's. It's Tuesday, and we're having beef pot pies again, because we love them so much. Mine. Bella's. Wednesday's dinner, and we are having Mediterranean fish skillet dinner. And this was made with cod, peppers, tomatoes, mushrooms, artichoke hearts, carrots, and then I sprinkled some feta cheese. I actually found it in tomato basil flavor, so I sprinkled some of that on top, and some fresh basil leaves. Mine. Bella's. Oh yeah, and there are also peppers in there. Sorry, forgot to mention that. It's Thursday, and for dinner tonight we're having pastina chicken soup with kale. Mine. Bella's. It's Friday, and we're having Greek sheet pan chicken dinner. And this was made with chicken breast, of course, as you can see, Brussels sprouts, baby potatoes, tricolor, onions, and mushrooms. Mine. Bella's. Saturday's dinner, and we ordered out burgers from a restaurant called Texas Chicken and Burger. And I have to be honest with you guys, this was like the worst delivery experience I ever had. So I got a burger and I wanted mashed potatoes on the side. There were no mashed potatoes in the bag, and I was charged for them. And then my daughter got a burger also with fries, and the fries were just strewn all over the bottom of the bag. I mean, there were maybe like 10 fries in the actual container, and the rest were just at the bottom of the bag. But we're starving, and not only that, but the order was delayed by about 45 minutes because we'd ordered corn on the cob. They had none, and of course, you know, I got the text notifying me of this, and then I got another text telling me that the order was going to be delayed, which I don't even know why it was delayed, because we ordered close to their closing time, and it's not like there were a lot of people in the restaurant. But there you have it. We're starving, and we're still going to eat it. Sunday's dinner, and we are having one pan shrimp, chicken, and orzo. Mine. Bella's. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.